Hey everyone, it's your buddy Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we are going to be talking about Cardano ADA. Right now we are seeing Cardano push up to $2.90. Definitely a coin that we are going to continue to talk about every single day because there's such great things coming about with Cardano. Now pushing above that $90.7 billion market cap, the volume in the last 24 hours being $8 billion. So Cardano has seen really immense growth, getting closer to smart contracts coming September 12th. We're also going to talk about a couple different dates that are going to be very, very important in Cardano's growth and development. That smart contracts, like I said, is coming though September 12th. So I did tweet this earlier by Crypto Profit YT on Twitter, obviously, if you guys haven't followed me. Cardano ADA announced for smart contracts to be released September 12th, 2021. Imagine where this brings us in 2022. So jumping back to the actual charts right now, we are looking at a 14.4, or I guess about a 14% increase in just that last 24 hours. Pushing really in the last week, though, all the way up to about a 34% increase in just a week's time. If we look at the last month, this is a massive increase for Cardano, pushing a 144.59% increase in the last month, coming from a $1.20 or $1.17, $1.15 range all the way up to $2.90. A lot of people didn't think we would even see Cardano up to this price or even $3 by the end of the year. I've been saying for a while now, though, that we have a great opportunity to push to $3 to $5 by the end of the year, and we'll keep you guys up to date with those price predictions and update them here at the end of the video as well. But if you guys jump to Coinbase, it talks about how it all works, how Cardano's goal is to be the most environmentally friendly, sustainable blockchain platform, and it uses a unique proof-of-stake consensus mechanism called Overview. And we've actually talked about that before, as opposed to an energy-intensive proof-of-work system currently used by Bitcoin and Ethereum. By the way, that is a very, very big deal to a lot of people. Obviously, you know, the environment continuing to be a very big, important factor in the future of, crypto in general. We see a lot of people complaining about Bitcoin mining quite often, and, to see Cardano going a different route about it is, definitely going to be a eye-opener, I think, for a lot of different people trying to jump into the crypto space. So we do see Cardano is a platform or blockchain platform built on a proof-of-stake consensus protocol, like we said, that validates transactions without high energy costs. So development on Cardano actually uses the Haskell programming language, which is described as enabling Cardano to pursue evidence-based development for unparalleled security and scalability. So or stability as well as scalability, actually, I want to say as well. But if we jump over to take a quick look at the year, for Cardano, we were actually at 12 cents August 24th. Now at this 2,287% increase up to $2.90. Absolutely insane. And I think there's, like I said, we're not done yet. We may have a lot of volatility. We may have a pullback at some point after these smart contracts and hype is kind of reduced. But just remember, this is not it. We are not pushing up to $2.90 and calling it for Cardano. So let's take a look at some recent tweets here. So I did actually tweet this out as well, August 19th. I said, Cardano never fails to impress. I'll see you guys at $3 ADA. So that was August 19th. Let's see where we are there just for the fun of it. If we take a look at August 19th, we were right around $2.10. So right around $2.10, $2.15. And then we had a massive push, like I said, all the way up to $2.90. So just trying to give you guys that, like I said, little updates on Twitter as well. So do follow me on Twitter if you guys want to get those little insights on where I think things are going and how fast I think things are going. Let's take a look, though, at this ADA whale tweet. So comparing market cap of crypto protocols against decentralization number of nodes and community size, Google hits plus Reddit subs, we see the following trend. Cardano is nearly perfectly valued. Some of its peers may be overvalued. Crypto researchers, please do your literal job. So this is just showing that, a lot of people, objectively speaking, think that Cardano is overvalued. Right now, it's actually maybe a tad overvalued, but the time of this tweet, which was August 21st, it was perfectly valued. So let's take a look real quick. August 21st, where were we at? And, why was that price, at a good value? So it was right around $2.50 probably. So we are up about 40 cents since then. So we could be overvalued right now. We'll see what, continues to take place. I think Cardano's future is what a lot of people are investing in. They're not investing in what, Cardano is capable of doing right now. They're all just waiting for that future, that, unique utility that is coming to the Cardano ecosystem. Let's take a look, though, at another article. This one talks about why is everyone talking about Cardano? Well, besides the absolutely massive increase, There's so much coming to Cardano, in my opinion. That's exactly why. But let's take a little bit more of a look in here. So Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain and is also considered a direct rival of Ethereum and Solana. Its recent price surge came after an upcoming Alonzo upgrade was recently announced. The update, which will be launched in September, is expected to introduce smart contracts to the blockchain. It's an important moment, making significant progress in the rollout of smart contracts on the Cardano mainnet, which is targeted for the end of August and early September. The development team said in a Twitter post, adding that it could begun testnet as well. The bullish trend of Cardano got a boost after the coin was authorized to list in Japan, which is considered really to have one of the most demanding listing criteria worldwide. So it is scheduled to be listed on August 25th. Obviously, a very, very big announcement. I do expect that to obviously be a part of this hype as well, building up. So you have to take into consideration that a lot of hype is being bought right now. So a lot of people always say, buy the hype, sell the news, and that's definitely something that has happened in the past. We'll see if it does happen with smart contracts and Cardano. If we take a look at the next one, this is also talking about Cardano Summit 2021 is coming September 25th and 26th. 7 events, 20 local meetups, and dozens of discussions taking place in both physical and virtual worlds and covering all aspects of Cardano universe. This is going to be our largest event ever. So they're going to many different places. Like we said, 7 events, 20 local meetups. This is going to be huge. It's going to talk about all the smart contracts, what is all capable, some of the projects coming to Cardano's ecosystem, and then jumping a little bit farther into staking as well as so much else. And I think they're going to do a great job at actually talking about all of the different really topics that need talked about. And this is going to continue to push, I believe, bullish investors into the Cardanoverse as we continue forward. I think a lot of people, retail as well as institutional, are wanting on board with Cardano. And we have another article. We're not going to jump too much into this since we are pushing closer to 7 minutes right now, but Cardano price eyes $3. But ADA chart fractal hints at a potential 40% correction. So the ADA USD exchange rate has moved farther into its overbought area, suggesting that a trend correction might follow suit. And I would say this is definitely possible. Like I said before, a definite volatility crisis could be in play after September 12th. If not, that'd be great because I'm not going to be selling anything. I will be just staking and just continuing on with my staking of Cardano. Realistically, I don't really sell anything until we see very, very, high highs. Obviously, $3 is a very, very high for Cardano, but I do think there's going to be much more coming in late bull run part 2. So let's take a look at Cardano right now. Give it a quick refresh. We are sitting at about $2.88, which is no problem, not too bad of a decrease at all. We actually went all the way up to $2.94, and then, like I said, now we're sitting at $2.88. Still a very, very great price that a lot of us would not have pictured in the, last couple of days. We probably wouldn't have seen this increase coming. I do believe by the end of the year, we could easily see Cardano pushing to $3 to $5 in a, really a bullish look for the end of the bull market part 2. So pushing closer to the bull market part 2, I could easily see us pushing $7 to $10 as a price point. A lot of people are talking about $100 Cardano. In my opinion, that's not even coming next bull run. $100 Cardano, I would say we're about 10 to 15 years away from that at the very least, and that's if Cardano continues to do very, very well. But $7 to $10 definitely within range by the end of this bull market, so let's keep that in mind. I think $7 to $10 is something that a lot of people are, kind of suggesting $10 as a conservative, realistic option for Cardano by the end of the year. So not by the end of the year, by the end of the bull market, I should say. So thank you guys again for tuning in. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on to stay up to date with Cardano as well as so many other altcoins. We talk about them all here: Cardano, VeChain, Polkadot, Chainlink, Stellar Lumens. I think I already said VeChain, but we talk about so many here. It's a great time, and we always try to keep you guys up to date. So thank you again. I'll see you all in the next one.